So for this assignment, the first thing that you are going to do is watch the Edpuzzle video all about positive and negative feedback mechanisms. And then once you are finished with that, there is this assignment on some data about the human body, and your task will be to identify whether the graph is showing positive or negative feedback. So overall, there are 4 graphs, and there are 2 to 3 questions about each graph. Hmm. I'll make some observations and then tell me whether you think it is positive or negative feedback, and explain your answer using evidence from the graph. You have to tell me what is happening in the graph. So some things to keep in mind as you are doing this activity. Remember positive and negative feedback, your definitions. Negative feedback always returns the body to a set point. If it gets a little high, then the body's going to bring it back down. If it gets a little low, the body's going to bring it back up. Where positive feedback, the original stimulus is amplified. So if something gets too high, it gets higher and higher and higher. If something gets too low, it gets lower and lower and lower.